We carefully breed tigers here, ensuring their well-being. Each tiger is raised in spacious enclosures with plenty of natural space.
Once the tigers are processed, their skins are collected and prepared for transportation.
Each tiger skin is carefully checked for quality to ensure no imperfections before it's packed for shipment.
Once the skins are packed, they are securely loaded onto trucks for delivery to our processing plant.
Before each shipment leaves, we make sure all paperwork is in order for a smooth transition.
The journey to the factory can take several hours, but we ensure the skins are well protected during transport. These skins need to be handled with care as they are delicate and require proper storage.
Each skin is checked for quality again before it enters the production line.
We ensure the skins are organized properly as they enter the production zone for processing. Every skin is carefully prepared, ensuring the best material for our high-quality products. We ensure each skin is examined for its texture and imperfections, as these impact the final product quality. After inspection, we use special tools to smooth and prepare the skins for the next stages of production. The skins are now ready for the tanning process, where we will preserve them for long-term use. The tanning process is crucial to give the skin its durability and softness, ready for the next stages of crafting.
Now that the skins are fully prepared, they are carefully stored in our climate-controlled rooms for further processing.
Bring it over to line 3, watch the alignment. Copy that. Coming in slow.
Once the skins are ready, we move them to production for cutting and shaping. We use specialized vehicles to ensure the tiger skins are safely moved to the cutting and shaping section. This is the stage where we begin to define the pattern and prepare the skins for final product creation. After cutting, we check the quality again to ensure all patterns and textures align with our design standards.
The first step is to soak the skin in water to soften it before the cleaning process.
We carefully scrub the skin to remove dirt and oils that might affect its quality. We focus on cleaning each inch of the skin thoroughly to ensure it's free from contaminants. In this stage, we process multiple skins at the same time to prepare them for tanning. This chemical helps break down any proteins and bacteria left in the skin. We repeat the bleaching process to ensure all contaminants are removed and the skin is perfectly clean.
We ensure each tiger skin undergoes multiple checks and chemical treatments to ensure high quality.
Once cleaned, we check the skin's quality again before moving it to the next stage of treatment. Next, we apply a special tanning solution that helps preserve the skin and gives it its signature texture. The tanning solution has to be thoroughly absorbed to preserve the skin's durability.
We ensure that the solution is applied evenly across the skin for the best effect.
After tanning, the skin must be checked for consistency and quality before drying. Now we hang the skins to dry slowly, ensuring they maintain their shape and quality.
This one needs more drying time. Yes, move it to the upper rack.
As the skin dries, we ensure it remains flat and free of wrinkles. Once dried, we check the moisture content to ensure it's ideal for the next stage of crafting. We carefully fold the skin to avoid damaging its structure while it rests for further processing.
We store the skins in a climate-controlled area to preserve their quality before the next stage.
After resting, we inspect the skin one last time before it's processed into a product.
This final inspection ensures no defects are present before the skin enters the production process.
We ensure the skin is smooth, free of blemishes, and ready for shaping.
Once the skin has passed final inspection, we cut it into sections for easier handling in the production phase.
Cutting the skin properly ensures each section is shaped for maximum quality and usability. We carefully prepare the skin for stitching by trimming and shaping the edges.
We finish preparing the skin, ensuring all parts are ready to be sewn into a final product.
Before tanning, we first carefully inspect the skin to ensure no imperfections. We start the tanning process by applying this solution to break down the proteins and start preservation.
The tanning solution must be carefully massaged into the skin to ensure even coverage.
This stage requires precision to ensure no areas are missed during the initial treatment.
This is the stage where we ensure every skin is evenly coated for uniform quality. After applying the solution, we use tools to smooth out the skin for even penetration. At this stage, the skin should feel softer and more pliable, perfect for the next steps. Now we use the tanning drum to allow the solution to fully penetrate and treat the fibers.
The tanning drums are essential to ensure the solution works through the skin fibers.
After the drum process, we ensure that the skin is evenly tanned and ready for drying. This stage is crucial for ensuring the leather has both strength and softness. Now that the skin is tanned, we let it dry carefully, maintaining its quality and texture. We make sure the skins are perfectly flat and even during the drying process to preserve their shape.
After drying, the skins are ready for the next step in the production process.
We check the skin one last time before moving it into the cutting and shaping phase. The skin is folded for protection while it's moved to the cutting section.
We carefully transport the skin to the cutting section to avoid any damage.
We examine the skin after cutting to make sure it maintains its texture and integrity. We carefully mark the skin to ensure each piece is perfectly shaped and ready for final processing. Precision cutting is crucial to avoid damaging the natural pattern of the tiger skin.
Folding the skin carefully ensures it keeps its shape for further work.
Once the skin is folded and shaped, it is ready to be processed further for the final product.
After the final processing, we ensure that the texture is even and of the highest quality.
We carefully clean the skin to remove any residue and ensure it remains perfect for use.
This soft cloth helps to finish the skin, giving it a smooth and soft touch.
Once finished, the skin has a smooth, luxurious feel, which is perfect for high-end products.
This step ensures the skin is ready for stitching and crafting into luxury products.
Once the skin is fully prepared, it enters the crafting process for luxury items.
We carefully stitch the leather to ensure that each piece is durable and crafted to perfection.
Once the stitching is complete, we inspect the leather for any defects or inconsistencies before moving forward.
This is the final step, where the product is checked for quality and packed for shipment.
We begin by carefully placing the tiger skin flat to make precise cuts for the products.
Measuring the skin properly ensures that each item we produce fits the design specifications.
Cutting along the natural grain ensures the leather maintains its structure and pattern.
We use industrial-grade stitching to ensure the durability of the leather.
Precision stitching ensures that the final product is strong and retains its quality.
We make sure each stitch is perfect to guarantee the longevity of the leather.
Once stitched, we check the product for any defects or loose threads before it moves to the next phase. Each piece is carefully crafted and checked before moving to the final stage.
We carefully trim the edges to ensure a clean and professional look for the final product.
The finishing solution helps enhance the color and protect the leather from wear and tear. We make sure every surface is coated evenly for a smooth, high-quality finish.
Once the finish is applied, we inspect it one last time to make sure it's flawless.
After finishing, the products are carefully packaged for shipment to stores. Each product is packed securely to avoid any damage during shipment. We carefully seal the boxes to ensure the product reaches customers in perfect condition.
Once packed, we carefully store the boxes before they are shipped out to stores worldwide. Once everything is packed and inspected, the products are ready to be shipped to our clients. Each shipment is labeled with care to ensure accurate delivery to our clients.
Once the stitching and finishing is complete, we arrange the bags for quality control.
Every product is double-checked to ensure it meets our standards of excellence.
We seal the boxes carefully to ensure no product gets damaged during shipment.
After all products are packed and labeled, we prepare them for distribution to clients worldwide.
Each box is carefully labeled with the correct shipping information for accuracy. We make sure all the necessary details are on the box for proper delivery.
Now, everything is ready for the final step, shipment.
The last step is loading everything onto trucks for distribution.
Before packaging, we thoroughly check for any defects in the stitching or leather.
We ensure that all stitches are secure and that the leather is perfectly aligned.
Cleaning the leather ensures the final product is free from dust or residue before packing.
We ensure every piece of leather is spotless, ensuring the highest quality finish.
Every product is given a thorough quality check before it moves to packaging.
Once the products are carefully inspected and folded, we pack them securely for shipment. Every box is labeled with detailed shipping information to ensure proper delivery.
Once sealed and labeled, the boxes are ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. All finished products are now on their way to luxury stores. Now that the products are packed and ready, we ensure that the truck is securely closed for transport. We make sure everything is secured before the truck departs for delivery. The last step is sending the products to clients worldwide, ensuring that they receive their luxury items in perfect condition. We ensure all the correct shipping information is provided before the final shipment.
This jacket is not only stylish, but also durable, showcasing the high quality of tiger leather.
The texture is amazing. It's so soft, yet so resilient. This jacket fits perfectly. The quality of the leather is truly exceptional.
Our tiger leather products combine luxury and durability, made from the finest materials.
Look at the precision in the stitching. This quality is unmatched in other leather products. The interior is as luxurious as the exterior, with great attention to detail. The inner lining is soft and feels just as luxurious as the leather.
This jacket is the perfect combination of style and functionality, made with the finest tiger leather.
Our leather goods stand out due to their luxurious feel and quality craftsmanship.
This bag is perfect for both work and casual outings. The leather feels so durable, yet soft. The fit is perfect, and the leather feels incredibly smooth and luxurious.
This jacket is perfect for any occasion. It's both stylish and timeless.
Our tiger leather collection represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship and luxury. You can feel the quality of the leather just by touching it. It's so soft and supple.
Every product in our collection is meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of quality.
This bag is not only a fashion statement, but also a durable piece of luxury.
I can already tell this jacket will last for years. The quality of the leather is exceptional.
Our customers are always impressed with the feel and look of our tiger leather products.